Dr. Huebner. I'm here with Tony from Hawaii. And Tony is here. As many people know, he's one of the guys that people really ask about a lot on the website. He's got a great personality, very vibrant guy. But now he's been through not only one, but 2 hair transplants now. Tony, how long has it been since your second one?
13 months.
Okay, so this would be more or less a final result from 2. And as you can see, he has a reframed face. It really makes a big difference. And again, I'll put the before pictures there. But Tony, how has your life been now with the second pass? Have you seen a difference between 1 and 2? Tell us about it.
The second time definitely filled in the density to even out all over. I mean,
yeah,
it's just my hair. I mean, I wake up and it's there.
Yeah. Just one less thing to have to worry about in terms of all the other stuff you have to worry about. But again, Tony had really nothing in these recessions. So we're going from 0 to 30 the first time, now from 30 to 60. Most people would look at Tony and say, you have awesome hair, it looks amazing, why would you ever need more? But sometimes, even guys after 2, they used to want it even tighter. So we'll see. We're going to see how he feels about things. But he can also lose more natural hair as he gets older. But he has plenty of time to decide. His forehead's half the size it was. Tony, can I see from the top down? And let's do a side by side. Yeah, perfect. Yep. You can see there, big difference from before. Yeah. So awesome. Tony, thank you for updating everyone from the great state of Hawaii. And looking forward to seeing if you ever need any more, let us know. And thank you for updating all your fans. Anything you would tell people that are on the fence about a hair transplant, skeptical?
If it's an insecurity you have, just go and do it.
Yeah.
I mean, I wish I didn't wait so long.
Yeah.
I feel great.
Awesome. Well, thanks again, Tony, and we'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.
Yeah. Awesome, man. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.